In this video, you see about the main parts of a lathe machine. Let you see one by one. And this is the image of different parts of a lathe machine. The main part of a lathe machine is number 1 bed, number 2 headstock, number 3 main spindle, number 4 tailstock, number 5 lead screw, number 6 live center, number 7 carriage, number 8 feet mechanism, number 9 dead center, number 10 chuck. So this is the main parts of a lathe machine. A bed is the main body of the lathe machine. All the main components are bolted on it. It is usually made of cast iron due to high compressive strength. It is made by casting process and is bolted to the floor space. And this is the image of a bed. Next, headstock. Headstock are the main body part that are placed on the left side of the bed. It serves as a holding device for gear chain, spindle, driving pulley, etc. The mechanism of the headstock is driven an electric motor that rotates the spindle. It is also made of cast iron. And this is the image of headstock in a lathe machine. Next, main spindle. It is the main part of a lathe that hold and rotate the chuck. It is made of good quality alloy steel and it is heat treated. Thread, taper, etc. are made at one end of the spindle to which hole the device can be attachment. This is the image of lathe machine and uh, nearby chuck. This is the image of spindle. Tailstock. The tailstock has following purpose: to support the loss and long job of carriage out lathe operation, to hold the cutting tools such as drilling chuck, drills, reamer, etc. Turning of outer taper by the offsetting method. And this is the image of the tailstock. Lead screw. It is used for thread cutting. Lead screw is situated at the bottom side of the bed, which is used to move and carries automatically during thread cutting. It is made from good quality alloy and is made of Acam thread. This is the image of lead screw. Next, carriage. It is located between headstock and tailstock. It is used to hold and move the tool post along the bed either toward or away from the headstock. It slides on the guideway. It is also made of cast iron. It has 6 main parts: saddle, cross slide, compound rest, compound slide, and tool post, apron. And this is the image of carriage. Next, feed mechanism. The movement of tool related to the work is called feed. A lathe machine may have 3 types of feed such as longitudinal, angular, and cross. This is the image of feed mechanism. Next, live center. Center is the part of the machine which is used to support long job in the between headstock and tailstock to carry out a tool operation, lathe operation. A center is that fit into the headstock spindle and rotate with the workpiece is called lathe center. The center which is used to tailstock spindle and which doesn't rotate is called dead center. And this is the image of a lathe machine, and this is the live center, headstock, live center, tool post, and this is the tailstock and dead center. Dead center are used to hold and support a workpiece in a lathe and other machine tools, often between the headstock and tailstock. Live center revolve with the work, and while dead center are stationary. This is the image of uh, dead center and live center, and between the workpiece. Chuck. It is the important tools which is used to hold and rotate the workpiece. The small piece of workpiece can be held in a chuck. And this is the treasure chucks, and this is the forger chuck. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share this video.